Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says solve the following. Okay, now this equation here, it is known as the quadratic equation. In a quadratic equation, it is always given in a form of x squared, x then a number. Now to solve a quadratic equation, there are so many methods you can use. One of them, it is known as the completing the square, factorization, and the quadratic formula. But here, I'm going to use factorization because we want to find the common values. So what you do is this, and by the way, you must understand that this method, it is most used in math paper 1. So we use it like this. We say this one, which is this times this one, so 6x squared times negative 1 is going to give me negative 6x squared. You have seen? Yes. Next step, you find the two common values which we have to multiply to give me this. Now here, there are so many values you can pick, but you're supposed to think critically here. So the best are these ones. So 3 multiply with a negative 2. So 3 times negative 2 is going to give me this one. At the same time, those values which you have picked, when you add them or subtract them, you're supposed to get this one. For example, if I say 3 plus negative 2, it's going to give me positive 1. So these are the best values. So now we do this. We get this one. So it is now 6x squared. You pick 3, positive 3x. You pick negative 2, negative 2, negative 2x. You pick now this one. So this part here has been replaced by this one. So negative 1 equal to 0. Next step, we check what is common. So this 3 can go into 6. So 3, it is common. Again, here there is x. Even here there is x. You put x. So you do this. So 3 into 6, it is 2. Then x. Then you say plus 1. So that if I say this one times this will give me this one. This one times this will give me this one. You come here. Negative, negative. You put negative. Then you put negative 1 like this. And then 2x. And then plus 1 equal to 0. Why? Because negative 1 times 2x, it is this one. Negative 1 times positive 1, it is this one. You have seen? Yes. Next step, you pick this one and this one. So it is now 3x minus 1. Again, you pick one of them. Since these two are supposed to be the same, then it is now 2x plus 1 equal to 0. You have seen? Now you say this one equal to 0, this one equal to 0. So it is now, you get this one. So it is 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So it is now 3x equal to 1. You divide with the 3. Even there you cancel. So x is equal to 1 over 3. That's the first answer. You come to this part. You say, or you say 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is 2x plus 2x now equal to negative 1. When this one comes in to be negative 1, so you divide with the 2, even there with the 2 you cancel. So x is equal to negative 1 over 2. So these two here are the answers.